I got this Lenten Rose from Breck's probably, I don't know, at least 4 years ago. And it's planted here on the east side of my house, so it gets morning sun and not the hot afternoon sun. And I give it, it's got plenty of organic material in the soil, because periodically, maybe every other year or every couple of years, I take some wood chips that have been aged a year or more and spread them around the base, and so it gets plenty of organic material. And you can see it seems to really like where it's at. And it's got all these ground covers growing down around it, which don't seem to bother it much. And then right next door to it, it's got this great big huge hosta. And it's also got tulips and all kinds of other things growing in there, but it's been really happy in this location. And there are Lenten roses in other colors, but that's just the spring growth coming up right there. There are Lenten roses in other colors, but this one is yellow. And it's been here for several years, and it's really happy. And it blooms in March and April. It has a long blooming period, so it's really happy. And this is my Lenten Rose from Breck's after 3 or 4 years.